2, 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, let's do it again. Yay! Good for you! Monkey see, monkey do, monkey loves to play with you. Let's take time to have some fun. We'll make friends with everyone. Let's take turns and learn to share. Say, I love you, to show we care. I'm a silly monkey who loves to play. If you be my friend, we could play all day. We could jump and hop, we could skip and swing. Let's be friends and we'll dance and sing. We're going to the animal fair to see animals everywhere. Some are big and some are small. But what's the biggest of all? That's the elephant, sis. Ooh, the one I don't want to miss. Let's listen and look to find what's there at the animal fair. All aboard for the animal fair. We'll listen and look to find what's there at the animal fair. What's that noise? Look, sis! It's a seal! All aboard! I like the seal sound, but wish an elephant's what I found. Let's listen and look to find what's there. All kinds of animals. Great big animals at the animal fair. Oh, what's that noise? It's a lion. But where's the elephant? What's that noise? It's a bird. All aboard! Lions and birds are fun, but they're not the great big ones. Let's listen and look to find what's there. Elephant, elephant, where's the big elephant? At the animal fair. What's that noise? It's an elephant. She's so big. Aw, Froggy, you found her. And we have a little surprise for you, sis. Oh, you do? A baby elephant. Aw. We went to the animal fair. There were animals everywhere. A lion, a seal, a pretty bird too. And a mommy and baby elephant just for you. We listened and looked to find what's there. All kinds of animals. Small and big animals. Here at the animal fair. What's your favorite animal? I wake up in the morning. It's a bright new day. Hop right out of bed to see if it's time to play. Time to play! First we need to brush our teeth, wash our hands and face, eat a healthy breakfast, then tidy up the place. Now we play! Pretty soon it's lunchtime, then a nap for me. Wake up feeling rested and happy as can be. Time to play! After we have dinner, a bath is always great. Then it's time for beddy bye, can't stay up too late. We played all day! Night, night. When it's time to Hello!
Hi!
What do we say in other places? I would like to know. When we're seeing brand new faces, how do we say hello?
In German, we say hallo.
Hello!
In French, bonjour.
Bonjour!
In Spanish, we say hola.
Hola!
Italian, it's ciao.
Ciao!
Portuguese, oi.
Oi!
Greek, yasu.
Yasu!
Chinese, ni hao.
Ni hao? Those are the ways to say hello.
It's fun to learn new things to say everywhere we go. It's fun to make new friends each day, to smile and say hello. That was fun!
Yeah! What's next, Puppy?
It's story time! Let's go read a book. Reading is such fun. Story time, story time. Come on, everyone!
Nope. No. Oh, no.
Hi, Monkey! Ready for story time?
See if you can find a book. Let's play a game. Look, look, look!
I love games!
Is that the book in front of the chair?
That's a ball. The book's not there. Ball.
Is that the book behind the chair?
That's a train. The book's not there. Train.
Is that the book way up there?
That's a bunny. The book's not there. Bunny.
Is that the book down under there?
That's the book. The book's right there.
We found it!
Yay! Thanks, Monkey. That was fun. It's story time, everyone.
Wait, where's Froggy?
Story time is a special way to share with friends and laugh and play. Together we can take a look at the pages of a book. Woohoo! Yay! What's your favorite story?
Puppy, where are we going today?
The farm! We're riding in the car. We're going someplace new. It's fun to go to the farm where there's so much to do. We'll see the animals. We'll hear what they say. Learn animal names.
And even watch them play!
Look, it's Ducky.
Hi, Ducky. Where's your mama?
Come on, we'll help you find her. When someone needs your help, it's great to lend a hand.
It's great to show that you're a friend, doing what you can. Hello, are you Ducky's mama?
That's a cow.
Hi, are you Ducky's mama?
That's a pig.
Hey there, are you Ducky's mama?
That's a sheep. A cow says, a pig says, follow Froggy. Six little ducks live down the way. They splash and swim and laugh and play.
Baby duck got lost one day, but now he's back and here to stay. Yay!
Ducky found his mama.
We're in luck. She's a duck.
Oh, time for bed. I'm getting sleepy. Are you sleepy? It's time to sleep. It's time for bed. Get my jammies on, then lay down my head. But I'm not tired, can't fall asleep. What should I do? Let's count some sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we've counted up to 10. Still not asleep? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Night, night, sleep. Hi, sis.
Hi, Fluffy. What's that noise?
Oops, my tummy. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Good idea, Froggy. Let's eat! I've got cookies. How many do you see? I've got cookies. Count them all with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wanna see, wanna
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4? How many cookies did we have before?
5.
Oh, where'd the other cookie go?
I don't know.
Is it on the table?
Is it under the table?
Hey, Cookie Jar! Was it you? I ate the cookie. I had to try one. It looked so good, and it was there. I've never had one. They're really yummy. I was thinking we could share.
Let's share.
Sure. One for me and one for you. And there's one for Froggy, too. Cookie Jar can have one more. There's 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi there. Let's go for a ride. Whee! Here we go! The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the car go round and round, all through the town. The friends in the car go up and down, up and down, up and down. The friends in the car go up and down, all through the town. The horn on the car goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the car goes beep, 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 all through the town. The door on the car goes open and close, open and close, open and close. The door on the car goes open and close all through the town. That was fun. Bye for now. We're ready for business. Our first customer. Puppy's food truck at your service. Breakfast or lunch for one or a bunch. Yeah! Sure! We make food to go. We cook it fast, but you can eat it slow. How many tacos? 1, 2, 3, and 1 fruit smoothie. Strawberry! 3 tacos coming up. Ooh, all with spice. 1 small smoothie, yeah! Better add some ice. Puppy's food truck at your service. Breakfast or lunch for one or a bunch. Ruff, ruff. You're having a party? Need pizza for 20? 4 large pies. That should be plenty. Get the fixins for a pizza pie. Come on, come on. Chop some veggies. Sourdough pie. Oops. Sorry, puppy. There's just so much to do. But first, I'm hungry. Aren't you? How about a little smoothie? Puppy's food truck at your service. Breakfast or lunch for one or a bunch.